This is Google Pixel 5a, and in this video I would like to demonstrate that you can check your mobile data usage on this device. So to begin with, you will need to launch settings, then enter the network and internet category over here, onwards tap at the SIMs. At the following page, you'll see how much mobile data you have used in the current period of time, which is 30 days or a month approximately. You can also go as far as checking the mobile data usage statistics over here by entering the respective section, which will provide you with a detailed breakdown on the graph, and with the detailed breakdown on which app or system service has used how much cellular data. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.